Hello homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: SPC flooring. Stone plastic composite flooring is a revolutionary choice for your home. It's not only stylish but also durable and easy to maintain. In this video, we'll provide you with the ultimate guide to SPC flooring, covering installation, care, and style tips. Let's dive in. Segment 1. What is SPC flooring? Let's start with the basics. SPC flooring is a type of rigid core vinyl flooring made from a blend of limestone, vinyl, and stabilizers. It's known for its incredible durability and waterproof properties, making it perfect for various areas in your home. Segment 2. Installation process. Prepare the subfloor, ensure it's clean, level, and free of debris. Acclimate the flooring, let it adjust to the room's temperature and humidity for at least 48 hours. Start installation, begin laying the SPC planks, locking them into place. Stagger the seams for a more natural look. Trim and finish, trim the edges, add transitions, and install baseboards. Segment 3. SPC flooring benefits. Waterproof, resistant to water and moisture, making it ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Durability, highly resistant to scratches, dents, and stains, ensuring longevity. Easy maintenance, simple to clean with regular sweeping and mopping. Realistic look, available in various styles, including wood and stone textures, for a realistic appearance. Segment 4. Care and maintenance. Regular cleaning, sweep or vacuum to remove dust and debris. Mop with care, use a damp mop with a pH-neutral cleaner for occasional deep cleaning. Protect from scratches, place felt pads under furniture legs to prevent scratches. Segment 5. Style tips with SPC flooring. Wood look planks, achieve the warmth of hardwood without the maintenance. Stone look tiles, emulate the elegance of natural stone in your home. Mix and match, combine different styles to create unique patterns and borders. In conclusion, SPC flooring is a fantastic choice for homeowners looking for style, durability, and easy maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY and home improvement guides, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the world of SPC flooring.